This is Dave with Dio's Diving Service here. We are at Gillette Creek Marina, slip W76, Chill. I have cleaned the water line at the starboard side. There is barnacle glue, but in order to remove that, I'd have to remove paint, so we want to leave that there. I've not cleaned the rest of the boat, and in fact I will be back tomorrow to finish the boat. It is already 7 o'clock at night, and I have to go eat. Let's go look at the parts of the hull that I had it cleaned. But this water line, I just wanted to show you. So I'm going to have to clean the rest of that. I also have to clean the drives. This pole hanging down here looks kind of suspect. Yeah, I'm going to post this video tonight and show you that. So your swim platform struts is hanging down. I will get the boat cleaned tomorrow, but I'm going to recommend that you haul it out to get that reattached. I'll take another video of it once I've got her cleaned tomorrow. Thank you.